friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MaxSun Waifu GeForce RTX 4070 Ti iCraft graphics card. So friend, the companies 4070 Ti and 4080 actually have not lot more in common. They are both 3-slot design with 3 pans, but more importantly, they use the same white cooler design. And friend, it is powered by AD104 GPU with 7680 CUDA cores, and this is the factory overclock model with boost clock set to 2685 MHz and increased default power to 300 watt. And friends, such clock speed is used by the vast majority of RTX 4070 Ti models on the market. So it is. And friend, this is a factory overclock model with boost clock set to 2685 MHz and increased default power to 300 watt, and such clock speed is used by the vast majority of RTX 4070 Ti models on the market. So it is definitely not the slowest, but there are much faster custom models available. And friend, the card is 33 cm long, which means the same length as RTX 4080 iCraft, and it is slightly thinner by 4 mm to be exact. And here it is equipped with M-Flow cooling solution and Skylight RGB lighting system. The latter offers an easy on or off lighting switch on the side as shown above. And friend, it is powered by Ada Lovelace architecture and the magical power of Enchantment Heart Princess, an anime character created by MaxSun RTX. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.